Hello friends, today I am here to share my views on the topic what does peace means to me. I believe peace is a complete understanding and acceptance of humans not only with others but with themselves also. Peace is both personal, something within ourselves. Peace to me and my life means to be able to live without worry. Peace is a concept of a social friendship, harmony in the absence of hostility and violence. In a social sense, peace is a commonly used to mean a lack of conflicts and freedom, fear of violence between individual or group. That I am wake up each day and not wonder if it's my last. A life of peace to me means a life of eating plant-based food and avoiding animal-based food, because plant-based food keep me alive, keep me happy and safe. Animal-based food attack my body and cause malfunctioning, and I will be almost died for consuming them. To me, peace can't be achieved without a plant-based diet. With the plant-based diet food, I feel like a child again despite the stress of adult American life. Peace is the absence of volatility, high emotions, words designed to hurt or gun. It's matter not to me. Peace is when people work together or argue together with the aim of bettering the world around them. For me, peace is the most important goal of life. It should be present with all the humans and me. Inner peace is the main thing which counts. Inner peace is the main thing which counts, not politically, socially, or economically. A country can be political, economical, and socially peaceful with citizens, but it is a very unlikely to have not peaceful society when people are the peaceful. So the main focus should be individual inner peace. According to me, peace is equal to trust. Peace is equal to truth. Whenever these rise of unreason and lies, peace gets spoiled. Peace is a feeling that make me asleep. Peace is a feeling that make me talking rest. There is no immediate threat to our life, and living is possible. A sense of peace give me freedom of think and act, but happiness is an information that kindness me feeling. According to me point of view, peace is such a simple concept, but almost impossible to obtain. Peace is when I share my point of view relatively uninterrupted, and then I opponent share their under the some condition. Peace can be a good goal in one's life. We keep on trying to find it, to make rule for it, to make war to achieve it. Peace is just to mean humans living on the mother earth and with no other different, trying to do the best for the whole world, not only for ourselves, till we reach moment when we say goodbye to this world with satisfied consequence or a peace fun. For me, peace is a relatively version of happiness. Even after, everyone should be able to be happy in their life. Peace means everyone is protected by the right that they are born to have. Peace is to be have love in ourselves and willing to share it with anyone in the world, no matter what background they have. Peace is a joy that must be simple pleasure we should have, but it also the most precious thing we should never lost. I look at the world and don't see justice. I consider the reality lived in the many countries. The world democracy sound like a poorly told fable. Peace means to me that people won't starve and will have a secure place to sleep to call their own. Peace for me means equal opportunity to develop as a social integral being, equal possibilities of growing up to enjoy adulthood and old age with dignity. Peace is a work and freedom of movement. Peace for me is to recognize of love between the two people. Peace to me is non-violence, just wages. Working class vindicates and access to potable water and quantify health sanitary services. Peace is an prescriptive medicine. Gender equality is every context and being able to walk through your neighborhood without fear of being attacked on the street in the peace. Peace is decolonization and zero neoliberalism. Peace is fair trade cooperative. Peace is for me book, no guns and less marketing politically. Peace is a social culture contribution, development and art. Peace is an leisure time, belonging, equality, respect, dignity, justice, freedom of speech. Peace is loving humanity as an active verb and the constant quit of being. Peace is being healthy relationship for me. It is an idle thought, abstract perhaps is today context. But it is when you start recognizing and accepting that all of us are united in our difference that you will recognize the peace and can will exist. Hello friends, today I am here to share my views on the topic what does peace means to me. I believe peace is a complete understanding and acceptance of humans not only with